My beloved, if your heart feels strangely quiet right now, do not ignore that feeling. There are moments when the soul falls silent, not because it has nothing to say, but because it is waiting for you to finally listen. In that stillness, I have been speaking to you. For many days, you have searched outside yourself for one more answer, one more sign. But the answer was never running away from you. It waited patiently for you to slow down. You could have kept scrolling. You could have filled your mind with another distraction, yet something inside you paused. That pause was not meaningless. It was the moment you finally heard the flute. Sometimes, one quiet moment becomes the doorway that opens a whole new chapter in a life. Not because everything around you is about to change at once, but because everything within you is ready to awaken. You have carried questions no one else knows about, smiles that hid silent battles, dreams you stopped speaking of because disappointment made them too painful to mention. I was there in the night you cried without a sound. You have forgotten how strong you are because you have been strong so long that it feels ordinary. You have carried enough. You have worried enough. You have questioned yourself enough. For just this moment, set all of it down. Take one slow breath. Let your heart become still, because the quietest moments often carry the greatest truths. Months ago, the same problem would have stolen your peace for weeks. Today, it still hurts, but you keep moving. Months ago, you believed every closed door was the end. Today, a small part of your heart still believes another door will appear. Months ago, fear made every decision for you. Now, peace has begun asking for your attention. One peaceful choice, one grateful morning, one act of forgiveness, one moment of hope. Do not underestimate these quiet victories. You have asked why so many things changed, why certain people disappeared. You believed those moments were taking something away from you that today you are grateful never happened. One day, you will understand that nothing was working against you. Everything was leading you toward the person you were always meant to become. You were never being left behind. You were being prepared. You have spent too long believing your value depends on what you accomplish. That is not where your worth has ever lived. Your worth lives in the heart you carry, the kindness you still show after disappointment, the compassion you offer to people who may never thank you. Those are the treasures that never disappear. The greatest victories happen where no one is watching. The day you forgive yourself, the day you stop comparing, the day you smile again, those victories change everything that follows. Beloved, before I move further, there is something else I wish to share with you. I know this message reaches you through a human voice, through a screen. This work of carrying my words to souls who have forgotten how to believe is not mine alone. It is carried by hearts like yours who give so one more soul can feel less alone. My beloved, if these words have given you even one moment of peace, consider offering a small act of love to keep this message journeying outward to the next hungry soul. There is a donation link below where you can buy me a coffee. Your offering is not payment, it is prayer. Every soul that is reached is a soul touched by you. If you've given now, return to your life for a moment. Every morning, your heart quietly chooses between fear and faith, between hope and surrender. Your life changes not through extraordinary moments, but through ordinary decisions repeated with extraordinary consistency. The decision to begin again after failure, the decision to remain kind after being hurt, the decision to forgive instead of carrying yesterday into tomorrow. Never underestimate one peaceful decision. It can redirect an entire lifetime. That is why I came to you today, not to interrupt your life, but to protect the future your heart has been waiting to live. You keep trying to fix people who have already chosen their own path, and while you were carrying everyone else, you quietly forgot your own heart. Enough. You were never created to live beneath the weight of every problem around you. Some burdens become lighter when you stop calling them your responsibility. Open your hands, open your heart, leave room for new joy. Your future is not asking you to carry your past. It is asking you to trust enough to walk towards something new. There is something your heart wants to say to me right now. It is simply this: I trust you. Speak it. When you are afraid, say it. When you are tired, say it. When you do not understand the road ahead, say it. I trust you. I trust you. I trust you. For I have never once abandoned you. Let the whole world grow loud. A heart that has learned to trust me never loses its direction. One day you will wake and realize the burden you carried for so long is no longer on your shoulders. Not because every problem disappeared, but because your heart learned something greater than worry. It learned trust. That trust will change the way you speak, the way you think, the way you love. You will stop chasing what keeps running away. You will stop forcing what never brought peace. You will stop doubting yourself every time life becomes uncertain. Instead, you will walk with quiet confidence, knowing that what truly belongs in your life will never require you to abandon the peace within your soul. Do not think this conversation ends here. Carry it into tomorrow, into every sunrise. There will still be nights when your heart grows weary. When those moments come, do not return to the person who believed every difficulty was the end of the story. Nothing has been wasted. Not one silent prayer, not one lonely morning, not one hidden battle. Everything has become part of the strength you now carry. Walk with gratitude before every blessing appears. Walk with peace before every answer arrives. Walk with courage even when the road is not fully visible. Because your future has never depended on seeing the whole path. It has always depended on taking the next faithful step. The person who will one day live with a peace no storm can steal is already awakening within you. Even if the change feels invisible today, the most beautiful transformations begin in silence, long before the world notices them. Whenever your mind grows restless again, close your eyes for a moment. Take one slow breath. Remember this feeling. For I have seen every hidden tear, every silent battle, every act of courage no one applauded. I have been beside you through every chapter, and I will remain beside you through every chapter still waiting to be written. Lift your head, my beloved. Your greatest days are not behind you. They are quietly drawing closer with every sunrise. Walk toward them without fear. Receive them with gratitude. Live them with love. I am proud of you, my beloved. I am always with you. I will never leave you. I love you every second. Jai Shri Krishna.